Hey, this is going to be a little video. I had the Pentair Clean and Clear Plus cartridge filter. So what happened was my pool, I was away, it got very green. You'll see my previous video where I changed the filters. Look at the pool, it's still green. So what I did was I took these green filters out, and I had spare filters on the side that my brother gave me because he gave me the whole setup. He was changing his whole system around. So he gave me his whole setup. So I had a spare set of filters. So for me, I didn't have to leave the filter down. I was able to take it out, quickly do a quick cleaning on the filter, just a quick one, and then I was able to just replace the filters, which made it very fast. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm just cleaning these filters to get them ready for the next replacement. Those are the old filters. And boy, these things are heavy when they're dirty. Oh my God, now let me show you how. Look at the dirt that comes out of these things. And you know what? The green it really held the green. I was able to vacuum up a ton of green. And it worked. So that's how you clean it out. You just do this. Don't get crazy. I'm going to clean the thing. I'm not going to go nuts with it. I'm going to clean it till they look fairly white, and I'm going to stop. Maybe I'll spend a half hour. I'm not sure. I'm not going to overdo it. I'm not going to put too much pressure and break the filters. I'm going to start from the top and work my way down all the way around. And that's what I'm doing. And look how clean they get. So it's not that hard of a job. You're not dealing with diatomaceous earth. And, you know, it's interesting. How do I feel about this filter so far? I do feel that you have to run it longer to catch every little bit of stuff, I think. I could be wrong, but that's how I feel. I think the diatomaceous earth is still the best. That's how I feel. Other people who had this hate them. Other people who had it love them. I particularly, I'm still on the fence about it. It's working, but I did have more cloudiness in my pool this year. But this year it seemed that everyone had a lot of problems. I'm from the Northeast, Long Island, New York, and it seemed like everybody was having an issue with green and this and that. Maybe we had old chlorine that they were selling us, I'm not sure. But everyone had a problem. So, but other than that, it works. So that's how you clean it. Now, when you replace these things, don't forget there is a bottom and top. So you happen to be looking at the top of all these because I just took them out of that filter. And now that filter is, I'm going to move these into a better cleaning spot. I'm getting a puddle here. But look at all the green that's coming out. You can see it. And the filter is right where it's supposed to be, start. Okay? I took that whole thing apart. Look at my previous video. And now I can work on my pool again and get it clear after going away. Look what I came back to. Not good. We'll clear it out. All right. Like, subscribe. Thanks.